Closing deals means knowing when to act, and who better than Spider-Man to show us how. Spider-Man never hesitates to strike when the moment is right. In sales, creating urgency is just as critical. Imagine this. You've got a hot prospect, but they're taking their sweet time to decide. You know they need your solution, but they're not feeling the pressure. That's like Spider-Man waiting too long to web up the villain. He'd never do that. Tools like Demand Base and Sixth Sense can help identify buying intent and create urgency. Use Gong to analyze your conversations and identify signals that indicate the prospect is hesitating, then automate follow-ups with outreach or reply. With moksy.ai, you can create landing pages that highlight limited time offers or time-sensitive promotions, giving your prospects that extra nudge to close the deal. Subscribe to learn how to create urgency like a pro.